Francis with the York County Library here in South Carolina. I'm here today to do another craft tutorial on a movable paper animal, and this one is a paper shark. Doesn't that look like fun? All right, let's get started. Here are the parts you need to make your shark. Piece of construction paper, 9 inches by 12 inches. Fins, tail, mouth, inside of mouth, teeth, eyes, and the bottom of the mouth. I've already cut most everything out, so put these things to the side and start with the 9-inch by 12-inch piece of construction paper. We're going to fold up one corner like so. Press down, and then cut this part away. So you are left with a square. Now, take one side and fold in to the fold of the middle. And try to make it as neat as you can. And repeat for the other side. So you have a shape like that. Now open it up, fold it back in half like this again. Take your scissors and starting about, maybe 1, 2, 3 or 3.5 inches from the front, cut up to the fold. Now don't cut past the fold, and about every 1/2 inch or so, make another cut. When you get down to the end, stop about 2 inches or so from the end, so you have a piece without any cuts here. So after you finish making all your cuts, I'm going to open it back up and put glue on one of the outside triangles. Then you're going to bring the other side up and press. You can kind of go along the sides too, because you want to make sure it sticks really well. All right, so there you have the shark's body. Now, these are fins that go down here, like that. So I like to put the glue on the side that does not have the lines. Makes a nicer looking finished piece. Now, when you glue this fin on, you want to have it behind that first cut. And you can put it down, and see, I haven't got it centered here, so I'm going to move it over till I have it just where I want it. And then I'm going to press down. So there you have those fins. And here we have the dorsal fin. There's a little tab here. You're going to fold that up, put some glue on it, and then put it wherever you like, but I'm going to put mine on this second cut piece here. And I like to use a little bit of tape. So I'm going to put a little piece there. Let's see, it moved a little. I'm going to, and I'm going to put a little piece over here too, to help hold it in place. All right, so we have the fins and the dorsal fin attached. Now, about an inch or so from the end, just make a cut, like so. Now you've got a little bit of a triangle there. Carefully cut right at the top, just a little bit, and in the middle on the bottom. That's going to give you a little slot to slide the tail into. Like so. So, shark's looking good. Now you can put a little glue there if you like. Let's see. Now we're going to move on to the mouth and the teeth, because what's a shark without teeth? So here's the mouth bottom. There's the inside of the mouth. And I've cut out most of the teeth. I've left one little piece to show you how I did it. I find it easier to fold along that line there first, and then cut away for the teeth. The pieces with less teeth go on the bottom, and the bigger pieces go on the top of the mouth. So you want to put the glue on the side without the lines. So here's the bottom of the mouth. We're going to put glue here, and then we're going to glue it right along each side. So glue here and glue here. And you want it to come up just to the outside edge, the bottom of the mouth. Like so. Then you're going to take this red piece, the side with the lines on it, you're going to put glue there. And you're going to glue like that. Now, if you've got a little bit hanging off of the end like this, you can just trim that off. See where it's kind of, there's a little tiny bit of red showing? I'm just going to snip that off. Now you're going to put glue here, and then it goes inside like so. But let's put on the top teeth first. So, turn Turn it over. Put the glue on the side without the lines. And it might be easier if you kind of lay the shark down on its side. Line up the teeth with the outside edge. Press down really well. And do the other side. All right, so that's really looking like a shark. Now put glue here. Slide it into the shark's mouth and press down like so. Whoa. And eyes. And you want them to be on just about the same place on each side. So I think that's just about right. There you have it. A movable paper shark. Now if you like, and you have a hole punch that's got a little teeny tiny hole to punch, if you can see, it's not the usual big hole punch, you could punch a hole on one of the pieces wherever you like, and you could hang it maybe from your ceiling, or you could make several of them and have a whole school of sharks in your room. Would that not be amazingly cool? I hope you enjoyed this craft tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you again soon with some more shark crafts. Bye.